Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I prevent my eyeliner from smudging and fading away. This is a question that I get asked time and time again, and it's a long overdue video, so let's get right into it. So first things first, you want the right product for the job. You want to go with something that's long lasting, and if it's waterproof, that's even better. For my top eyeliner, I like to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner or the Huda Beauty Lifeliner. Both of these eyeliners are waterproof, and I find that they last me all day. And also they come out very, very dark and black. I find sometimes eyeliners don't come out as dark. They end up looking a little bit more like charcoal or gray sometimes, but these ones come out like a nice dark pitch black. Personally, I like the Too Faced eyeliner a little bit better because of the applicator. It is a brush tip pen style applicator, so it makes it a little bit easier to apply. And I find it's not as hard to get off as the Huda Beauty eyeliner. The Huda Beauty eyeliner is also a brush tip, but I find the brush is a little bit harder. And also it is not a pen style applicator, so you might have a little bit less control with this and it might be a little bit harder for you to apply. This eyeliner though, I don't think I've ever seen anything last as long as this. It's really, really hard to take off, which can be like good and bad. It's really good for people that have like oily eyelids and really feel like their liner doesn't last. But if you don't have that much of a problem with your top eyeliner not staying too long or it's smudging, I find that this can be really hard to take off. Another benefit to the Huda Beauty eyeliner though is that the opposite side of it is like a gel pen. So you get both the liquid eyeliner and an eye pencil in one. With that being said, let's move on to talking about products for the Waterline. So this is also another phenomenal product for your waterline. Again, it is waterproof and it lasts all day, but it is really hard to take off. And if that's really a worry for you, she does have this like eye makeup remover that helps take this off super easily. Another eyeliner I like to use in my waterline is the Vasanti Kajal Waterline eyeliner. This has been my go-to for years. I never really have a problem with it. It doesn't specifically say that this eyeliner is waterproof, but I've cried with this eyeliner on so many times, which I don't know if I should be admitting on camera, but I have. And I feel like it stays all day. And it's an eyeliner that I used to use on my brides all the time as well. And again, I find both of these eyeliners come out very nice, dark and black. The next thing you want to do before you apply your eyeliner is powder your eyes. So you want to set your eyes with the powder because in case your eyelids get oily and that's the reason that the eyeliner is smudging, this will help prevent it. This will help mattify your eyes, absorb the oil, and pretty much help your eyeliner last much longer. Then after that, you want to apply your top eyeliner. Now, top eyeliner I find doesn't smudge as often as bottom eyeliner, but there are a few tips that I have for it. So first of all, you want to make sure that the eyeliner is completely dry before you open your eyes, especially if you have something like hooded eyes and you find that your eyeliner touches the top of your eye really easily. That always ends up making your eyeliner smudge and it just can get really, really messy. So make sure when you apply, you keep looking down until the eyeliner completely dries. Now these next two tips are for both top and bottom eyeliner. You want to make sure that you don't take your eyeliner all the way to the inner corner. So with my top eyeliner that I have on already here, you can see right in this inner corner, I haven't really applied any eyeliner. The inner corner of your eyes are already kind of dark looking, so it naturally looks like your eyes are lined there, and then you can start your eyeliner from pretty much where your lashes start and then onwards. And I'm going to show you guys how I do the same with the bottom eyeliner. So I'm just going to take my pencil and line my waterline up until pretty much the inner corner of my eye. And you want to make the outer part of the eyeliner a little bit thicker and then thinner as you go into the inner corner of your eye, just so it looks like a nice smooth gradual transition from your inner corner to your outer corner. And that way it doesn't look like your eyeliner is super thick on the outside and then there's nothing on the inside. Then what you're going to do is take a small flat smudger brush and set your eyeliner with a black eyeshadow. Applying the black eyeshadow will help set the eyeliner and keep it in place. Because you have to remember gel eyeliners are creamy so they can still move. By setting it with a powder, it helps prevent it from moving so much. Now, if you still find that your eyeliner is moving even after doing these steps, then this is what you're gonna do. You're going to use a black gel liner that's in a pot, something that looks like this here, and you're going to apply that first. So before you apply your liquid eyeliner on top, apply the gel first and then go over it with the liquid. I mean, you don't have to go over it with the liquid, but the thing I find with gel is that sometimes it doesn't give you that nice smooth line and it's not as black as using a liquid eyeliner. And because it's gel, it can still kind of smudge, especially if you have oily eyelids. So by topping it with a liquid waterproof eyeliner, it will really help make it stay in place. For the bottom, you can also use this gel liner in your waterline, and then make sure you set it with an eyeshadow again, because that will really help lock it into place, and again, it won't move. I find that gel liners like that tend to harden more so than a pencil, which is why it'll budge a little bit less than a pencil would when you set it with an eyeshadow. Those are all the tips and tricks I have for you to prevent your eyeliner from fading or smudging. If you did get a chance to try it out, please let me know how it went in the comments below. And if you did like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys constantly show me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!